4 ingredients for a lotion bar. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Do-it-yourself travel lotion bar. Hi there, welcome to Jane Sees the World. I'm going to be doing a little series on do-it-yourself DIY travel toiletries. Now, why make your own travel toiletries? First off, because they're easy. I think you'll be surprised once you have the right ingredients on hand, just how easy it is to make your own travel toiletries. The second reason I do it is so that I can make just enough for the trip. I've done some previous videos that show you just how far travel toiletries actually go, especially solid ones. So by making your own, you can make just enough for that trip, actually probably a little bit more. The other reason I really like to make my own travel toiletries is because they have minimal, natural ingredients. I know exactly what is going into those. There's nothing in them that I can't pronounce, unlike pretty much anything that I can pick up in the store, even the so-called natural ones. Another reason that I really like do-it-yourself travel toiletries is that I can tailor the scent specifically to what I like. I'm not a big fan of lavender. Anyone who knows me knows that. So obviously I'm not interested in putting any lavender in my travel products. But if you like it, you can add it. I happen to love things like mint and lemon, so most of my recipes will lean towards those scents. But it's totally up to you. Most of them use essential oils, and so you get to pick whatever you want to put in there. Also, I like to make them because they're fun.